Okay, peeps, this is the tomtoc, and I got this around a month or so ago. What's interesting, first thing you need to know that you might not be able to tell from the pictures is that there's two openings. There's the main compartment here, which kind of opens almost like a mini duffel bag. And there's also this little flap here, which is why I'm giving it 4 stars for that, and another reason. But it's a lot of space, 40 liters. I'm gonna be using this, obviously on a plane, which is why I bought it, because I travel with my family. The two, high quality, it all seems to be high quality. I haven't done a lot of traveling with it, but just in terms of experience with backpacks, looking at the material, it's like a strong, what looks like cordura material. You've got the 2 water bottle pockets, one on this side, one on this side. You've got the compression straps. You have a front pocket here, okay, to store gear in. Then you have another pocket up here at the top for passports or iPhones or whatever. And then up here you have the top pocket, right, which is what opens up, in which you can put your computers on this side, which is why I bought it, so that when I'm going through TSA or security, I can just open it up and my computers are there. That being said, it would have been nice in terms of the pockets if there had just been something like some more compartments for like pens, pencils, keys. I'm used to backpacks with a few more compartments. Instead, once again, we have this zipper compartment here. Now this is interesting. This opens up into the main compartment. And you can pull it down just like that with one hand to get in the main compartment, but you can't close it with one hand, but it's got a one-hand opening. And yeah, overall, I'm giving it 4 stars. I'm not exactly sure about that little flap at the bottom here that I showed you about. And again, it could have used some more compartments, but overall, it looks like a very solid, high quality bag, and I am happy with the purchase.
Good.